IIT Nest is around the corner and every student dreams of studying in elite research institutes. Now, the difference between a good rank and a high rank is these 3-4 months where you revise, where you practice and you brush your knowledge over and over. Now, many students, they finish their syllabus by this time, but they still lack the confidence. Don't worry, because Sayastra is here to help you. Sayastra is well known for its rank across India for various research exams such as your IIT, NEST, CUET, IACS. Now IACS from this year will be taking admission through your IIT entrance exam. So Sayastra is known to produce top rankers in these exams. Now if you also want to join them, then Sayastra is here to help you with the launch of their crash course for IIT Nest 2026, where you'll be getting Monday to Saturday live classes, daily revision, and a lot of mock tests to practice from. So without any further ado, let's look into the features of this crash course. Now let's begin with your IIT 2026 crash course. Now here you will be having daily live classes from Monday to Saturday. You'll have complete coverage of all 4 subjects, that is your physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. You'll have around 12 mock tests to practice from, which would be conducted in CBT mode, and PYQs from 2017 to 25 in CBT mode with full video solutions will be provided. Lecture notes after every class, DPP and chapter wise PYQs will be given, and access to all live class recordings will be given. Now for the students who do not have maths or biology, there will be special guidance that would be provided to them. And you will also have Sayastra's AI Instant Doubt Solver, and you'll have a private Telegram group for the course. Now, you'll also have a strategy and support group till your IIT exam is completed. And even after your exam is done, you will still be getting special guidance for your counseling and furthermore. Now, you'll have daily live problem solving sessions from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and chapter-wise questions with solution will be provided. Now, this is like a small test which will happen regularly in CBT mode itself. Okay, there will be weekly interaction with IISc, IISER, NICER toppers so that you can actually talk to them, discuss your stresses, understand what strategy they use so that you do not make the mistakes that they did. And you will also be having yoga and meditation sessions. Why? Because every student who prepares for entrance exam is bound to feel stressed. So to release that stress so that you can, actually focus on your academics, you'll be having yoga and meditation sessions. We'll have a Maha Marathon series and live mock discussions will detail analysis, and you'll also have free counseling support and Sayastra alumni access after your IIT 2026. Now, classes would be conducted purely in English language. Okay, so this is our English batch. Moving on to your NEST crash course. NEST crash course also you'll have daily classes from Monday to Saturday. There will be complete coverage of all 4 syllabus, that is your PCMB. Now in NEST you only need top 3, but we are still covering all 4 because many students sometimes they do attempt the 4th section. And since suppose I am a math student and I attempt biology, and if my marks in biology were greater than what I scored in mathematics session, then that mathematics section will not be considered and my biology would be considered. So just to be on a safer side, we'll be covering all 4 subjects. You'll have total 12 NEST mock tests in your CBT mode, all PYQs from 2018 to 2025 with full video solution. Now, you must be feeling that these PYQs are, very less in number, but whatever shifts are there, your first shift, second shift, all the shifts would be covered here, okay? Lecture notes will be given after every class, DPP and chapter-wise PYQs will be given, and access to all class recordings. Then again, there will be special guidance for non-maths and non-bio students. And here also, you'll have your Sayastra's AI Instant Doubt Solver and private Telegram group for the same. You'll be getting strategy and support till your NEST exam. You'll have special guidance from the toppers. You'll have daily live problem solving sessions from 8 to 10 p.m. again. You'll have chapter-wise question in CBT mode with solution. This is again your daily practice test that will be happening. Your interaction sessions with IISER, NICER toppers, and you'll have yoga and meditation sessions here. You'll have your Maha Marathon series and live mock discussion with detailed analysis, and again you'll be having your free counseling support in this crash course also. Now for the students who want to appear for both exams, that is your IIT as well as NEST, So we have a combo crash course which will include all your IIT NEST preparation. Here again, we'll cover all 4 subjects. Classes will be from Monday to Saturday. You'll have both IIT and NEST PYQ with video solutions. And here you'll be having a total of 24 mocks. That is 12 of IIT and 12 of NEST. Lecture notes will be given, DPP will be there. You'll have access to all the live classes. Special guidance will be given to non-bio and non-math students. Then AI Doubt Solver would be there. You'll have a private Telegram channel. You'll have strategy and support till your IIT NEST 2026. You'll have special guidance from the toppers. Daily problem solving session from 8 to 10. Chapter wise, you'll have daily tests in CBT mode. Okay, you'll have yoga, meditation session, Mahamarathon, and you'll have your counseling sessions as well. Now, for the students who want a bit more personalized, crash course, for them, we have a personalized crash course. Okay, so here you will be getting daily live revision sessions from Monday to Saturday. Again, all 4 subjects would be covered. All your IIT and NEST PYQs with solutions would be given. You'll have again 24 mock tests, that is 12 for IIT and 12 for NEST. You'll have lecture notes, DPPs, your access to live classes, special guidance to your, non-bio and non-math students. Now, you will have dedicated personal mentors who are themselves either studying from IISc, IISER, NISER or IIT. So they are going to be your special mentors. Okay, you will be given a personalized roadmap and strategy depending upon your weaknesses and your strengths. Okay, then if you also procrastinate, like, yeah, we'll do it tomorrow, let's see, maybe later, then you'll have a personalized to-do list as well for the same, so that you do not leave anything behind because of your procrastination. Okay, you will have bi-weekly sessions where you will be, held accountable, and you will be asked to show what all things you have done, the to-do list, if you've completed it or not, and you'll be given homework, and there will be focus on your weaknesses. Now, every student has some subjects or some chapters that are, not as good as the others. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand that you need to actually work on your weaknesses more than, keep polishing your strengths. Because if you are working on your weakness and, maybe bringing it somewhere here, if your strength is here, your weakness is here, and if you're able to bring your weakness even up till here, okay, that graph, that shift will actually help you secure a very good rank. Okay, now you'll have mentorship and doubt solving WhatsApp group that would be given. Again, these all batches are in English only. Then you'll have dedicated batch counselor for all your concerns. You'll have 2-level support, your personal and academic concern. Now, many students, they face a lot of issues in their personal life, personal stresses. Now, what happens is, because of those personal stresses, you are not able to actually focus on your academics. So you can actually share your personal concerns with the mentor here, and it will be absolutely confidential. Okay, now you'll have daily problem solving sessions from 8 to 10 p.m. and you will have chapter wise questions in CBT mode with solution, weekly interaction, yoga and meditation center, and here you will also have a monthly parent teacher meeting. Now, this parent teacher meeting is optional, but somewhere we also feel that it is necessary for your parents to also know what you're doing, where you're standing, and how's your progress going on. Okay, so that is why we have monthly parent teacher meetings, and we will be giving you a detailed student performance report where we'll be telling you how many marks you've scored in each mock, what has been your attendance percentage, what classes you've missed. Every detail will be provided. Okay, you'll have your Mahamarathon session, you'll have your live mock discussions, and you'll have your free counseling support. Now, coming to a very, very big surprise. Okay, first time in India, okay, for IIT NEST preparation, Sayastra has launched their offline crash course. Yes, this is offline crash course. Okay, in this crash course, your classes will be condensed from 2:30 to 8 p.m. Okay, 2:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Now, the location for this is your JSS University, Sector 62. Now, this university has a very safe campus, so you need not worry, okay, it's 8 p.m., it's getting pretty dark. This campus is actually very beautiful and it is very, very safe, okay? So you'll have printed daily practice papers with detailed solutions. You'll have 6 offline IIT mocks and 2 offline Nest mocks in CBT mode. So you can actually come to the center, give these mocks and release all your stresses related to exam, so that when you are actually preparing for your exam, or when you actually have to go and give the exam, you'll already have that, control over your anxiety and fear. Okay. Now, if you feel that the tests are less, don't worry about that, because we also have free IIT and Nest, the focus series, okay, included in this crash course. Now remember, this focus test series that is mentioned here, this is AI proctored. Okay, that means how many times you move, how many times you are actually shifting your tabs, everything will be noted second by second. So this is AI proctored, and this you can actually give from your own laptop at home also, and you will get up to 30 mock tests here. There'll be a private WhatsApp group for the batch, and also you'll be getting a free Sayastra t-shirt. Now this batch will also be in English. Now if you are serious about your preparation, then you should definitely go and enroll in these batches, because online classes are starting from 9th March 2026, and the offline crash course, it is going to start from 30th March 2026. Now if I talk about the prices, okay, let me start with the offline course first. Currently, the crash course is at 25% discount. Originally, it was 40,000, but now it is 30,000 rupees. So it is approximately 500 rupees per day. Okay, these discounts are only valid till 8th March. So do avail them before the price goes up to the original. Now, if I talk about my personalized crash course, for personalized crash course, my price is around 12,000, which is at 20% discount. Originally, it was at 15,000. Okay. Now, if I talk about my combo, okay, so combo was originally at 5,000, but right now it is at 30% off. So it is only available at 3,499 rupees. And if I talk about my Nest crash course was initially 3,500 rupees, but it is at 28% off. So it is at 2,499 rupees. And same for your IIT crash course also, it is also currently at 2,499 rupees. Now if you actually want to get a seat this year in your dream institute, then you should definitely go and enroll in these crash courses, because the classes are going to start in less than a week. Okay, so be serious about your preparation, and if you have any doubts, you can leave them in the comment section below. You can also contact our support team, whose details would be there in the pinned comment down below, and the details or the links for these crash courses will also be provided in the description. So I wish you all the best, and we'll see you in your dream institute.